Now the topic is self-referential structures. It is an important topic. Self-referential structures. Take these two data types. This is one data element and this is another data element. In that data element, we have subsections. Okay, the first one is, let us say, some value I. Second is something like C. Third one is something like address. Okay, the same way this is also a copy of the previous one. The first one is I, second one is C, third one is address. The idea is we are trying to provide some value called 65 and I want to take this as character type, let us say A. Address is a null. Null is nothing but what? Pointing to none. It is not pointing to anyone. Same way, I want to provide value 66 and the character is something like B and it is not pointing to anyone, therefore it is what? Null. Okay. Now this is the case. I want to take, I want to declare the variables. As all these are nothing but what? Members of a structure. Now tell me how to define this definition or how to define this structure. I want to create this entire structure as a, let us say, some node. Now this is also a replica, right? Now this is also a node. Now node is what? User defined element. So we have to provide some definition. How to provide the definition? Node is of what type? Struct type, because we are creating that, right? So in that, what are the members are there? Members are I, second one is C, third one is address. Now I want to provide that address as a PTR or next PTR, NPTR, right? NPTR is nothing but next pointer. Okay, so I should be of what type? Integer type. C should be of what type? Character type. No worry. But now see, NPTR is a pointer. Okay, now it's my idea is pointing to someone which should be of same type. Now see, in the previous class we already studied about if I want to provide a pointer PTR, now it should be, it receives something like this, right? Now when can I access, when can I assign the address to PTR? When both should be of same type, right? Same way, if I want to pass, if I want to assign this address to this one, now it should be of what type? This type. So now this is also node type, right? Therefore NPTR is a pointer. Is of what pointer? It should be of what? Node type. Struct. Okay, this is nothing but what? A self-referential structure. Why it is called self-referential? I repeat again. We want to point some address, that we want to point some location. That location is of what type? Node type. Just node is nothing but what? The definition itself. Therefore this is called what? A self-referential structure. Okay. With a piece of code we can understand this one. We are trying to code, we are trying to take this structure definition. So structure definition is what? Struct node, struct node. In that, what are the members? I is a member of integer type, C is a member of char type, and pointer is a structure, right? Struct node star PTR. Okay, we can call that as NPTR, next pointer, right? So definition is completed. Now if we want to create a main function, let us say main function is int main. Let me reread this one. Int main. In that int main, I want to create these two nodes. I want to create a node something like this, node 1, node 2. Therefore I am taking like node 1 comma node 2. These should be of what type? Node type only, right? N1 N2, which is struct. So N1 is a variable of node type, N2 is a variable of a node type, and I want to pass the elements something like this, right? In the previous example we took 65 comma a comma, we want to assign the values. How to assign the values? You see, first member is what? I want to pass 65, but whose I it is? N1's I. Same way, I want to pass some character called A, character A, it is C, N1C, okay? And I want to pass next element as a null, NULL, whose value it is? Pointer. So N1 dot PTR, NPTR actually, okay? Same way, with the help of this, we understand like this. So this is a node, name N1, okay? In that value 65 A and it is null. Same way, when we created N2 variable, a replica will be copied here with 3 elements. Now I want to fill this 66. How to fill that 66 is nothing but what? I. Whose I it is? N2's I. So I want to fill 66. Yes, completed. Now I want to provide B as a character. How to do that? Dot C. Whose C it is? N2C. With the value called B, character, single quotation. Now I want to provide this location as null. How to do that? Whose location it is? N2's pointer location, N2 dot PTR with what? NULL. Okay, completed. Now I want to link these two. How can I provide a link with these two? When can I link these two? Meaning the address of this entire location should be kept here. What is the address of this one? Name of this location is N2. Name of this location is N1. So address of N2 should be kept at this location. So address of N2 copied to where? It is copied to NPTR. Okay, NPTR. Whose NPTR it is? N1's NPTR. So N1 dot NPTR is equal to ampersand N2. Then what will happen? Whenever the address is copied here, then automatically it starts pointing to this location. It starts pointing to that location. Now see, node 1 and node 2 are in connection, and I want to access location. Whose location it is? N2's location. Not only that, we can call this as this value. So what is the relation between this value, these two values? I rewrite again. Okay, now see, this is my pointer NPTR. So NPTR location is nothing but what? NPTR's, just now only we saw how to access the pointer variables, right? So NPTR's I, NPTR's C, NPTR's address. So we can access as NPTR's I. So NPTR is pointer, right? So NPTR's dot I. So I can use like this, printf. I want to print what? 66. How to print 66? 66 is nothing but what? 66 is nothing but NPTR's I value. So it is percentage D, comma, star NPT, star N1 dot NPTR, okay, is nothing but N1 dot NPTR. That location is nothing but what? I. This can be rewrite as what? This can be rewrite as percentage D star N1 NPTR can be written as what? NPTR dot N1 dot NPTR arrow, okay, arrow I. Because in the previous session we already discussed about writing this type is somewhat hectic, therefore we use arrow operator. With the same thing, how can I print like this? See, I want to print with this, I can print what? 66. Now I want to print B. How to print that? Simple, printf. That B is nothing but character type, therefore percentage C, okay. Whose value it is? N1 dot NPTR arrow, this location is C. That's it. So output will be 66. Okay, this is how we can access the self-referential structures.